What's up, guys? Thank you for joining us on another video of Wire MTV. Today we will be working down by the shore in Clinton, Connecticut. Unfortunately, due to external factors out of my reach, we were not able to complete this project, but I thought it'd be fun to show you guys a video of how we started. So we were actually hired to finish an installation that somebody else started. And the first course of action is to get that big old condensing unit up on the roof. So stay tuned and enjoy. Please don't be fooled by the speed of the video. That thing was heavy. So this is it. The building was an old Friendly's back in the day, and this customer bought it and is planning to make it a second home for an already established restaurant down by the shore. As I mentioned before, our job is to finish the installation, so here we go. As of now, we finished the venting and the condensation drain for the furnace and the outdoor unit for the air conditioning. For now, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.